Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, it's already Monday, uh, July the 5th, 2021. We have here only one regular Sudoku in this puzzle page, Sudoku Medium, but we have also here a puzzle page with extra Sudokus or puzzles, an additional letter Sudoku. We have 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, binary, and a tectonic with 1 star. So today a lot of puzzles to solve, but only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku we have here. And this one will be a number. Let me position the camera. Number 3049. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26. I've counted already. 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, this will be a 2 stars. Because the 2 stars has 26 also printed digits. But first, we will solve this baby. And for a 2 stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Yeah. Alright. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the number yeah, let me see which number can I pick. 8. Well, the combinations are not so good. Alright, let me start. 7 in this row. First row, 7 in the second row, 7 third row. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. You see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only place for the 7 should be there. In this middle column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright, we have an 8 in the first row. 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. I need to wait. How about this big square? 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row above. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next. So in that column. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so in the last row, the only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Oh, apologies. Let me correct the camera. Alright. one number left in this row for the number 5. Okay. So in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. You see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, here, or there. So we have a 5 in one of those 3 boxes in this column, 5 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 numbers left. In the middle column for the numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Alright. Then. Yeah. How about the number 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Yeah. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so in the last column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Yeah. 5, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 2. We see there 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and a 5. That means 2 numbers are left in the middle row. Here we have 1 and a 5. The other pair should be the numbers 9 and 6. 9 and 6 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 9 and 6. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 5, 6, and a 9. 5, 6, and a 9. Okay. Yeah. 6. Okay. 1. Do we have all the 2s? 2. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see there 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. This is number 2. Alright. 9. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. There 9, no 9 here. The only place for the 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 9 should be here. Then. 9. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers are 1 and 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have a 1 in the first row, a 1 in the third row, so no row between the second row. The only place for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in the second row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. 4 and the 6. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and 6. That means 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. Alright. So we have a 3 in this row. 3 in the second row. So in the row above. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for the number 9. Alright. Alright. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6. Here, 5, 6, 9. No, I cannot do anything there. So 6 in this row. 6 in the last row. So in the row between. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 and the 3 are missing. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 in this row. 1 in the last row. So in the row between. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 3 and number 1. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 9 and 5. 9 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 4. Alright, 1 box left in this column for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2. The 3 is missing. And 8. 3 and 8. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And 8 goes there. 8 in this row, last row. 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here an 8. We see there an 8. So no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 8. Alright. Alright, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 5 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the second column. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 5 and 9. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. 9 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright. Great. Medium Sudoku. And I'm very well pleased with the time because I've solved this in 30 minutes. 13 minutes. And is this a 2 stars? Well, let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the medium Sudokus. Playlists for the heavy, for the light Sudokus. For the killer Sudokus. For the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the letter Sudokus for the quintuplets, for the tectonics, for the binaries, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all then. Yes. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. And we will meet again later on the day with the other puzzles. I will do 4 of the puzzles in the additional. So see you later. Bye bye for now.